Today we talk about how can you deactivate your account on your CallApp. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, you just click here above this sign, click on it. When you click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. Then you click here on general here, just click on it. You just click on it here. You come to next zip here. So then you click here on here my account, just click on it. And you click here on deactivate my account, just click on it here. So then you click here on yes, then it's going to deactivate with you on your CallApp. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.